Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. So in my today's video I am sharing a very useful and important exercise for the patients who are suffering from the chronic shoulder pain. If other intervention does not work for the chronic shoulder pain, try this manual therapy skill or exercise to decrease the pain in the shoulder region. So let's start with the practical demonstration of the exercise. So for the practical demonstration, the patient is in the supine position, and let's say this patient has pain in the left shoulder region. So what the therapist has to do, the therapist has to take the shoulder is in the 90 degree of flexion, slightly horizontal adduction, and the elbow is in the flexion. Therapist has to stand in the standing position. Left hand has to be placed on the elbow joint and the right hand has to be placed on the scapula for the stabilization purpose. Now the therapist has to give or apply a posterior glide to the head of humerus by his body weight. By shifting his body forwards, this will give a posterior glide to the head of humerus, and the therapist has to stay in this position and maintain this passive stretch until the pain is diminished, like for 40 to 50 seconds or 90 seconds. When the pain is diminished, stay in this position for another 20 seconds. When the pain is totally diminished, come back to the neutral position. Again, you have to repeat this procedure for 3 times. So, stabilize the scapula, left hand on the elbow joint, give a posterior glide to the head of humerus by the body weight shifting of the therapist. This will give a posterior glide. Stay here until the pain is diminished. Maintain this stretch and come back. So by doing this, you can easily resolve the chronic pain of the shoulders. So try this technique and let us know your valuable feedback in our comment section. Till then, stay connected and thank you.